This is a video on how to value a shell for reverse merger purposes. Our disclaimer is not legal or investment advice. Reverse mergers are risky. They may not be suitable for you. You want to consult qualified advisors and securities attorneys on your own situation. The more you know, the more you can profit. So what you need is a basic understanding of what to look for in shell companies. The true value can only be determined by an experienced professional who understands corporate law, securities law, and how shell stocks trade. First thing is determine where the shell is traded. In the gray market, it may have little or no value. This is because gray market stocks have no market maker. They usually have really bad records, and getting these stocks trading with a market maker, we're trying to get them listed and registered with the SEC, can be very difficult, probably impossible. If it's traded in the pink sheets, be careful. Many pink sheet stocks have bad records. They cannot be audited, so you cannot file them with the SEC, and the information they give you is sometimes questionable. If it's traded on the OTCBB, the stock must file with the SEC. Filing with the SEC is good, but again, it's no guarantee of accuracy. Do your own due diligence thoroughly. Now, take a look at the shareholders list. The more shareholders you have, the better. The shareholders are a pool of interested investors. When you do your reverse merger, this should lead to more volume. You also want to check the shareholder list for any bad actors in there. And be sure to verify the amount of shares outstanding with the transfer agent. The more trading volume you have in the stock, the better. It shows you have interested investors already in there. And the trading volume is what gives your new money liquidity. When you sell stock to investors, they want to know they have an exit strategy, they need liquidity, they need trading volume in the market, and they're going to look for that. The more trading in the shell, the better. You check and see if the stock is DTC eligible. Check to see, make sure there's no fault with the other previous stock sales that may have been made. Make sure the company is in compliance. Check the reputation of the company. If the company is listed as caveat emptor on pink sheets, look out. There's a lot of factors that apply in valuing a shell, including assets and liabilities, the state of the record. Some people like to buy shells that are in the same industry as the operating company they're going to put in there. And there's a lot of things. You have to really do a lot of research and get information that may not be publicly available. But basically, a shell has value when it's clean, when it can provide liquidity for your new investors, because you can use it to raise new money. If you need funding, if you have a venture deal, you want fast funding, email me at lux.investor@gmail.com. Put venture deal in the email subject line. If we like the deal, we may cover all costs. Everyone has a great idea. We want ethical team players who can make it happen and make a real company. You want to learn more? Subscribe here on YouTube. Go to my website, reverse-merger.info. I have a blog, reverse-merger-shell.blogspot.com. You can get my new book on Amazon, Reverse Merger, a readable guide to reverse mergers for CEOs and CFOs. And you can always email me at lux.investor@gmail.com. Look forward to talking to you.